Welcome to aminacademy.com. In numerical methods and analysis, let us discuss about Newton's iterative formula for inverse, square root, etc. First, inverse. The reciprocal or inverse of a number a can be considered as a root of equation 1 over x minus a equal to 0. Let us first, for inverse, the reciprocal or inverse of a number a can be considered as a can be considered as a root of the equation, as a root of the equation 1 over x minus a equal to 0. If you solve this equation, we can find the inverse of a number. That is, let f of x equal 1 over x minus a, then f dash of x minus 1 over x square. And Newton's formula I can write by iterative formula x n plus 1 equal x power n 1 over x n minus a over 1 over x n square. Here really the Newton's formula comes here minus, but here derivative of f of x is minus 1 over x squared, so it comes plus. So by rearranging, we'll get x of n plus 1 equal x n into 2 minus a x n. This is the Newton's iterative formula for finding inverse or reciprocal of a number. Next one, the square root. The square root of a number a can be considered as a root of the equation x squared minus a equals 0. The square root of a number a can be considered as a root of equation f of x equal x squared minus a, and f dash of x equal differentiating x squared is 2x. Therefore, Newton iterative formula x n plus 1 is x n minus x n squared minus a over 2 x n. Therefore, you can write x n plus 1 equal x n plus 1 equal half xn plus a over xn. This is a simplified formula for that one. Inverse square root. For inverse square root, for computing, 1 over square root of a be a, it may be a root of f of x equal 1 over x squared minus a equal to 0. Then from that find f dash of x equal minus 1 over x square. Therefore iterative formula xn plus 1 equal, after simplifying you'll get have xn 3 minus xn squared into a. This is the iterative formula for reciprocal of inverse square root. Next, general formula for pth root. Pth root of a can be considered as a root of equation x power p minus a equal to 0. The pth root of a number a can be considered as a root of equation f of x equal x power p minus a. From that you can find f dash of x equal p x power p minus 1. Then therefore iterative formula of pth root of any number a equal to xn plus 1 equal xn minus xn power p minus a over p into x power xn p minus 1. Further it's simplified, you have xn plus 1 equal p minus 1 xn power p plus a over p into xn p minus 1. Then inverse of pth root, inverse of pth root of a number a. That is, we can reciprocal inverse of pth root, that is your f of x. F of x is 1 over x power p a equals 0. From that we can get xn plus 1 equal xn into p plus 1 minus a xn power p over p. By using this formula, we can find inverse of the pth root of a number a. Here, by using these formulas, we can find square root. We can find a square root of a number, inverse of a number, as well as inverse square root for pth root of a number, and inverse pth root of the number you can find. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.